What is going on? I'm Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. It's actually the day after Thanksgiving for me. It's been about 16 days since I've recorded videos. Yeah, I had that much stuff saved up, and I am out of footage, so it's time to start making some more. I've been super busy with life, family, traveling, all the above, and I recorded a boatload of stuff so that I could still put videos out. Today, I've got this sweet gum, and there's like one piece of maple that I'm gonna get busted up. This stuff is a bear. I just did that toothpick challenge a couple minutes ago. You probably saw that yesterday. If not, go check it out. I failed miserably. I think my number was 5. But I need to get this pile filled up and done. So I'm gonna roll some stuff over here from the pile because the tractor is undergoing a regen at the moment. I came over here, I idled it down, and I pulled the e-brake so I could get my camera set up, and it went through and started doing its regen thing. This stupid regen stuff, it's a pain. And for these small tractors like this that don't get revved up or used at a high idle very often, DPFs are getting jammed up and clogged pretty quickly. And he runs on-road fuel in that. I don't think he's ever put red dye in there. Not that I think that makes a difference. I don't really know the difference, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm gonna start rolling some of this over. I'll have to do it the old school way, just rolling and filling up the log lift. But I'm gonna try and get through this row today. That way I can go eat lunch and hang out with the missus for a little bit. So let's get to going. Hopefully the tractor does its regen thing and gets through with it here soon so I can use it. there's the one row done. The tractor did stop going through its regen thing. The thing's throwing a code though, and it's saying that the DPF is full. I forced a regen on the thing trying to get it to clean it up, but it also says you got to contact your dealer. EPA stuff is horrible on these new tractors. Yeah, it's ridiculous. But we got that one row is filling up nicely. I'm going to raise the conveyor up on the next splitting session, and I'm probably going to go through and take what I can reach and start filling up my front row now that I can actually get out of there. I started filling this up and I said, wait a minute, how am I going to get out of here if I fill this thing all the way up? So I stopped. So I will get this front row stacked up, and that'll stop my pile from coming down. And yeah, I can't wait to get through all this sweet gum. There's a good bit here. And I think, I don't know, there's a couple hours here of cutting, but this pile is going to go faster than I anticipated. Some of these pieces are bigger though, and then I get into some, you know, wonky pieces too. Some of the ones that aren't exactly square, got some leads sticking off of them. And that's okay, it's still wood. It will become boiler wood if it's not pretty wood like I'm putting into this bin now. I definitely think I can get this bin full with what I've got over here in this big pile here. You know, this right here will be another splitting session. It's probably, I don't know, 3-4 tractor buckets. I think I filled this tractor bucket up, what, 3 times or twice, and the rest of them I rolled over. So you can fit a good bit in the bucket. That's all I got, guys. Take care of each other. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.